Hello guys, I'm very excited to share with you this new model called as Colors. Colors is a large-scale text-to-image generation model based on latent diffusion developed by the Kwai-Kolors team, which is the same company that developed Kling model that I covered this morning on my channel. Kling is one of the best video generation model. Unfortunately, that only runs in China at the moment. It is not accessible outside of China, but still doesn't discount the fact that one of the good models. So that is why I'm very excited to see the quality of this colors model which we can install locally, and that is what we are going to do in this video. We will be installing it locally and then we will generate some images from the text. Before I do that, let me give a huge shout out to Mass Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you are looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. Coming back to colors, this model has been trained on billions of text image pairs. Colors shows significant advantages over both open source and proprietary models in visual quality, complex semantic accuracy, and text rendering for both Chinese and English characters. It also supports both Chinese and English inputs, demonstrating strong performance and understanding and generating Chinese specific content. So, upfront, this model is more geared toward Chinese, but from the feedback which I have heard from people, it is also good in English. But we'll try it out, we'll see how it goes. No verdict as of yet. So, let me take you to my local terminal where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04 and I have one GPU card of 48 GB of VRAM and NVIDIA RTX A6000 courtesy mass compute. Let me clear the screen. As a first step, I'm going to create a Conda environment which will keep everything separate from my local system. So let me create it. It is going to create that colors environment and then it is going to activate it. So let's wait for it to finish. That is all done. Let's also clone the GitHub repo of colors and I will drop the link to the model card in video description. From there you can access it. Let's cd into it and that is also done. Let's install some of the prerequisites which include torch, transformers and few other goodies like this one. This is going to take a bit of a time, so let's wait for it to finish. So these prerequisites are done. Let's also install the git lfs because we are going to download a big file from Hugging Face. Let's wait for it to finish, and all of these commands are also present on their model card. Let me clear the screen, and that is all done. Let's install all the requirements in this GitHub repo by simply running pip. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, it says that it couldn't find the numpy, so that is fine. When that happens, all you need to do is to open that requirement and you can simply just go with the latest version. So I have just changed this 1.2 1.6 to 1.2 1.0. Let's save it and then let's run it again. And this time you see it has installed it. So let's wait for it to finish. All the requirements are done now. Let me clear the screen. And now let's run this setup.py install in their root of repo. And that finished fairly quickly. That is all good. Let me clear the screen. And now as an optional step, log into Hugging Face and grab your token from Hugging Face because sometimes you need to log in there in order to download the models. I'm just going to paste my token here and you can grab this token for free from huggingface.co. Login is successful. Let me clear the screen. And now let's use that Hugging Face CLI to download the models. So I'm just going to first quickly check the directory is there. Yep, all good. I'm not. Let's clear it and then let's use this command to download the model. So I'm doing it. I'm just downloading this colors model and storing it in this local directory weights color. So let me run it. And it is going to download this model. Let's wait for it to finish. Speed looks good, so it shouldn't take too long. As you can see, it is also showing us the performance and the progress here in the bar. The model is downloaded now and it is loaded on my GPU too. Let me clear the screen. Now, in order to generate the images, all you need to do is to run this sample script which they already have provided. And this is a Chinese prompt which they have provided in this double quote, but you can replace it with English. I translated it in English and it says that this is a photo of ladybug in a high resolution. So let me run it and it is going to generate an image and it is going to put that in output directory, and I'll show you once it generates it. It is loading it. Now it is doing the diffusion process, so let's wait for it to finish. And it has generated the image in the output directory. So let me take you to my output directory. I will open it in my GUI. And this is a GUI where it has created this sample underscore test.jpg. And if I double click on it, this is amazing stuff. Look at the quality of this model. Goodness me, this is amazing stuff. Fabulous. And in the next example, as you can see, I have tried it with an English prompt. I just said rising sun. It has generated the image. Let's go to our directory. And then it always creates this sample underscore text naming convention. So double click on it. There you go. This is our rising sun. So amazing. Look at the quality of the image. Doesn't. Okay, I'll rename it and I'll generate one more just for the sake of completion. It is, let me take you to my terminal and then I'm just going to clear the screen, and then instead of rising sun I'm just going to say serene beach. Let's see, it is going to load the checkpoint shots on our GPU, and then it is going to do the diffusion process in order to generate the image. I'm very impressed by the quality of the model, by the way. And now it is creating the image with the diffusion process, the latent diffusion in 50 steps, and you can see that the speed is quite good, quite decent speed. Should be done any minute, and then that is already done. Let's go back to our uh, terminal in GUI, sorry, and then this is our sample underscore test. Let's double click it. There you go. This is your serene beach with white sandy and palm trees. Amazing stuff. So all in all, I mean, really a very impressive model, no doubt about that. And I think I will be trying it out more in the coming days, because I think one of the best text to image models, especially in terms of quality, which I have seen in the recent days. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.